In this video, we'll learn about state, filter, searchable. The @state property search text holds the user's input from the search bar. Marked as @state so that SwiftUI observes it when it changes, SwiftUI re-renders the view automatically. This constant array contains the list of names to be displayed in the app. Filtered names dynamically generates the list of names to display based on the search text. If search text is empty, meaning the user hasn't typed anything, filtered names just returns the entire names array. If search text has a value, it uses filter to find names that contain the search text. Both search text and each name in the list are converted to lowercase using .lowercase. This makes the search case insensitive, searching for Jane or Jane match Jane. If search text has a value, it applies the filter with contains search text only keeping names that include the search text. Navigation stack wraps the view in a navigation stack, which allows us to use the searchable. List. The list displays each item in filtered names. The list's ID self uses each name's unique string value as its identifier. This adds a search bar to the list view, allowing users to input search terms. Binding with $search text. The search bar binds directly to search text, so any changes in the search field automatically update search text, triggering filtered names to recalculate.